Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back to our tech review. Today in front of us here we have the brand new Baseus Enercore CR11. Okay, these products here have built-in Type-C, have a cooling system. The big difference is one is a 20,000 milliamps, pushing out 67 watts of fast charging, and the little brother pushing out 10,000 milliamps, offering up to 45 watts of fast charging. The big one right now for Prime Day is going on sale for $40, originally $90. And the little brother originally $60 on sale for Amazon Prime Day for $30. So everything you see here, I will leave a link down below if you want to pick it up. Use my affiliate link to give me credit to the channel. This help me help you guys get out content and get reviews on products. And I appreciate you guys so much for coming to my channel. If it's the first time on my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's begin the review. All right, guys, first up, they both have a similar design. On top here, you have your built-in Type-C retractable cable cord, and you have additional Type-C as well for additional charging. Right in the front, you have your display, where it's display your battery percentage at the current time. Also lets you know when the device is being charged with a green light bulb on top to show you when it's being charged. On the other side here, you have your power buttons to turn on the display so you can see it. Overall, similar design, definitely a night and day difference. If you're going to need extra battery power, go with the 25 milliamps. If you are really conservative with your power, you don't need to carry around a more bulky device, then go ahead and get the 45 watts. This is more ideal for laptops, drones, camera accessories, where this is more ideal for your small products like your phone, maybe some headphones to charge up on the go. But both of them are definitely easy, because everyday carry essentials. You can probably put in your bag. Doesn't matter of the milliamps. It's all based on your own personal preference on how you utilize the products here. Both your power banks are built solid, have premium fast charging, built-in Type-C, everything you need for convenience of a power bank nowadays. Powerful versus portability is up to you, whether you need a 20,000 milliamps or 10,000 milliamps. Either way, both the items are good to take with you on the go, travel, and everything you may need for everyday essential. If you like these items right here and want to pick them up during the Prime Day sale, I will leave a link down below in my description for easy access. I am MoneyMarrowTech, guys. See you guys next time. Peace.